Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this natural hair rinse out conditioner. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. After watching this video, if you have any question, please don't forget to use the comment section. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So to start with this natural hair conditioner, I'm going to begin by mixing my guar gum and glycerin together. And guar gum is a thickener. It helps add sleep to the conditioner, and it also makes your detangling very easy. So after mixing my guar gum and glycerin together, I'm going to keep it aside and move to my oil face. So in my oil face, in a clean bowl, I'm going to add my emulsifying wax, and the next I'm going to add is my cereal alcohol. And this alcohol and emulsifier help combine both the oil and the water we're going to use in this conditioner. And after adding it, the next I'm adding is my coconut oil. Below this video, I'll drop the links on how to make cold pressed coconut oil. So after that, I'm going to keep it aside and go to my water face. So now in a separate bowl, I have my bowl and I'm going to add my water. All the measurements to this conditioner will be listed in this video. So after adding my water, the next I'm adding is my aloe vera juice. I also drop the link on how to make aloe vera juice if you don't know how to do it yet. And I'm going to stir it. The next I'm going to add is my centrimonium chloride, and this also helps with the sleep and help makes your hair manageable while detangling and combing. So after adding it, I'm going to mix it very well. Then the next thing I'm going to add is the mixture of glycerin and guar gum. So after adding it, I make sure I turn it and make sure it mixes together. So after mixing it, I'm going to put both my oil face and my water face in a bowl, and in a double boiler I'm going to allow my oil to melt. So after the completion of the oil melting, the next thing I'm going to do immediately, still on the double boiler, I'm going to pour the oil into the water mixture, and I will mix immediately. This part is very important, and after mixing it, I take it to a flat surface, and with my hand blender I'm going to blend it. So here, this is the consistency at this point. And the next I'm adding is my vitamin E oil as an antioxidant to this conditioner. The next is detangle, also known as vitamin B5. It's very good on the hair. And also my wheat protein. For protein to be effective on your hair, it has to be hydrolyzed. And this is hydrolyzed wheat protein I'm adding to this conditioner. And I'm also adding my detangle, that's the vitamin B5 to it, and my vitamin E, my preservative. And make sure as I'm adding it, I make sure I turn to mix very well. So I'm adding my preservative and my essential oils. Here I'm using lavender and vanilla, and also tea tree essential oil as the fragrance here. At this point, guys, my hair conditioner is ready. So I'm going to pour it in my container. So what I do with this conditioner is, after washing my hair with my shampoo, then I will rinse out the water, the shampoo from my hair. The next, I apply this conditioner on my hair and comb and detangle my hair and allow it to sit on my hair for 5 minutes. And after that, I wash it out. So it makes this conditioner a rinse out conditioner. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, and see you next time. Bye.